Hey y'all, it's VaderVengeance and welcome to my moving vlog. Right now I'm just showing you guys how my apartment was before I started packing, and through this series I'll be showing you the packing, unpacking, organizing, and decorating process. So if you hadn't had a chance yet, please check out my other video where I show you my empty apartment tour. I'll link it above, and just please enjoy. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push.
I started with the closet and I packed my first box. An easy way to pack shot glasses and cups and plates is with washcloths or towels.
Radiate, radiate, radiate. Gravitate, gravitate, gravitate. Innovate, innovate, innovate. Move like the sunlight.
It's moving day today. We got all the boxes lined up, ready to go. Moose is in his little carrier and the other two cats are in their carrier upstairs. Let's see how this goes. The truck is almost all the way packed. We have a little bit of space right here, but pretty much done. All full. First furniture came. It's a table. So we just got to the new house with the truck. It is a 20-foot U-Haul filled with stuff. A little break, going to McDonald's just to get something for the boys and thank them for helping me out. They have pumpkin spice lattes at McDonald's, you guys. It is 85 degrees in LA, but it is fall. So back to work after lunch. We got the hardest thing, which was the couch in. Required 3 people to bring it up these stairs here. And we scratched the fuck out of the wall. 1:59 p.m. We started at 8:30 a.m. and we finally moved every single thing from the truck into the house. It's 4:30 p.m. We are just returning the U-Haul now. I'm absolutely exhausted, but after this I'm just gonna go get the cats. So I'm gonna end this portion here and then start the next portion, just showing you guys how it looks after everything's all unpacked, a little bit of shopping at Walmart, and a little decor. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks.